Okay guys, we're cruising down the street. As you can see, the skateboard's rolling. And the reason why that nigga right here is that he said he had a real smartphone. But we're still friends though, and all that. But that nigga has a flip phone. A flip phone. I'll send y'all a picture tomorrow when he actually can play outside. See, his mom makes him come inside at like 8. And what time is it? Let me check. 8:45. I go to the woods every day and I play around. He pussies off and says, I don't want to go to the woods. It's so scary. I'm like, fuck off, bitch. And he's like, I don't want to go to the woods. And I'm like, what? It's fun. He's like, no. And see the little kids outside? See, they ain't that cool. See, man. See, I already played a video for 1 minute and 6 seconds, 7 seconds actually. See, he thinks I have crack on me. Bitch, he don't know a shit about crack. She says I smoke marijuana. Guys, see the little skateboard? Smooth moving. Okay, peace. Make sure y'all keep description. I have t-shirts and they're pretty cool, so go check them out.